wire. It's about a 16 behind the leading edge of my puddle. Barely weave it. As you're coming down, you're pulling down on the back handle of your MIG gun. Follow your puddle all the way through. Don't rush it. Tie in. Don't rush it. Pop out.
That's going in awesome there.
Let it let out. Skip across that center and pause on each side. And for being in position, pulse MIG, it's very easy puddle to handle. Not wanting to droop or get out of control on you. Seems to be good there.
Probably gonna be the easiest thing ever. Simple way to
Okay, to start, we are taking our sweet time with this one. Everyone knows the saying, fill and chill. I've now given it some filler, and I'm now watching and waiting for things to heat up enough so that I can begin moving. Once things are heated up enough, and we can see that the heat is penetrating, moving becomes much easier. All I'm doing now is maintaining and watching to make sure my lower line matches the profile and line of the straight line I am following. Now, as I approach the end here, I'm making sure that I match the size and profile of the tack. Arc off slowly, a proper finish, and I'm set up to turn the corner now. So, now starting in the pocket, finish of the last half, I'm now 100% sure I'm connecting the corner properly from the last stop. I give it good heat to blend my filler to the shape and profile of the next pass I want. Can you see the pattern of what we're doing now? I have a proper pocket that's 100% connected to the previous pass. Then I'm sure my next start will not have any void or hollow spot in between the two passes. Once again, proper start, and then once I'm moving, it's easy to just watch and maintain. Getting ready for my next stop here, I'll leave a nice pocket for the next start. Now I'm going to repeat the process on this corner here. Nice proper finish to that one, and I'm set up for the next one. Keeping an eye on my bottom line is probably the most important thing with this joint. We have a profile that's a square or a rectangle or whatever it is, so that this shape is going to be our guide to follow. The bottom line will be our gravity affected side, so making sure that this line follows the shape will be the most important goal for me always. The amount of filler and reinforcement will play a big part with this joint. Not enough filler will cause things to overheat, while too much filler will stack up and block penetration. Alright, is this our last corner? Hold up. Yeah, this is our last corner. So do the same thing as the previous ones. Okay, home stretch here. We know the drill now. All I've got to do is match the profile to the first pass we did. So as I approach the end, I'm making sure I get everything organized and sized up to match the first pass we did. And I make sure I cross the place where I started, and I wrap it up with a nice round button, like a pretty bow on a present. And we're done.
Alright, let's take a look. Overall, I'm pretty stoked on this one. All of my corners, which are the areas I was most concerned about, have all tied in pretty nicely. As you can see, we don't have any hollow pockets in between the two passes. As we turn it around, everything pretty much has the same profile. If we look lengthwise down it, the leg lengths are pretty much equal top and bottom. As we round the corner, we don't really have any undercut. Everything is being filled up properly. And when we look at it like this, our bottom leg stayed pretty straight. And then turning the corner to the home stretch, kept everything nice and straight as well. Then placed a button nice and tidy right on the corner, just passed over so it connects to where we started from. Just finished off with one little cutie right on the end there. And once again, given that I had a camera in my face, which is always notoriously super difficult to film, I'm pretty stoked on all that. That one was a lot of fun.
Вот такая работенка интересная сегодня ко мне пришла. Коллектор распилили, сделали на 4 цилиндра его. И надо будет сейчас его обновить. Юра, блядь. Вот и все. Это одноцельная деталь. Тут подвальная.